SSN!
Yeah.
Yay!
Good morning, Schaefer.
Good morning.
I'm Carly.
And I'm Olivia. And
And-
we're here to talk about awesome staff birthdays. We have a rocking awesome principal, Miss Reeves' birthday on the 16th.
Really? That's cool. Miss Hoff has the same birthday as Miss Rivas.
Awesome. Happy
Happy
birthday to you.
School out yet?
I wish.
Gary.
Thanksgiving! Hallelujah! Okay. Eat some turkey.
Ooh. Eat fried chicken.
Who likes fried dog? Hola, Miss Reeves.
Hello, Miss Reeves.
Hola.
We have a few questions. Do you mind if we ask you them?
Sure. I don't mind.
What's the spelling bee?
The spelling bee is where kids from 4th and 5th grade come to compete, and they're given a bunch of words and they see who can spell the most correctly.
That's interesting.
It is interesting.
Where did the finals go?
The finals will go compete at another school, and I'm not sure what school that is, but it'll be sometime in February, and we take our top 2 or 3 winners, I can't remember, and they go compete in the area B in February.
Do the winners get a prize?
They get a wonderful certificate with their name on it.
What about the winner that wins everything?
I don't know if they get a prize. That's
Do
a
they
great
get like
question.
a trophy or?
Yeah, is there like one top winner?
Yeah, there's one top.
Good morning, Schaefer. I'm Carly. I'm Jackson. Hey, Carly, are you going to the father-daughter dance?
Yes, I am.
It's on Thursday, December 4th.
And the theme is the Winter Wonderland.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to dance, eat dessert, and get a picture taken with my dad, all
So-
in one night.
Sounds like fun.
It is.
Hi, I'm Macy.
And I'm Olivia. Oh,
Yeah.
do you know what the Broncos score is?
Yeah. They lost 7-22 against the Rams.
That's interesting. They played awful,
Yeah.
totally.
Don't worry, the Broncos are going to play the Dolphins on Sunday.
Well, you have to promise me that they've got to win. He needs it.
Okay, they're going to win. Also, the Nuggets beat the Cavaliers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all.
Our camera crew is Mason and Tanner.
A special thank you to Miss Reeves.
We're signing off from Schaefer Super News. Happy Thanksgiving.
Teriyaki turkey!
Dance, 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 da-na-na-na, dance, dance, dance,
Bye.
da-na-na-na.